Thank you for joining me again here on Mystery E3D. I found another challenge I need to tackle. I was in my lifetime shed the other day and realized that if I'm working out there as the temperatures are increasing, it's pretty warm and I want a drink with me. Where do I put that drink? Well, I could put it on some of the stuff that's in the shed and potentially have it fall and spill all over the place, but my solution is going straight to Fusion 360 and my 3D printer. So that is exactly what I did. Creating the design from my head into Fusion 360 was not that difficult. I did measure my cup base. I did find that it was under 45 millimeters in radius. I created an opening so that there was a little bit of flex in that circle. I then extruded that circle. I added a little bit of reinforcement on the back side of it. That'll be connected to the hook. And I have a hook file that I keep separate just in case I want to create a new design, and I'll use the hook as an additional component that I import into my designs and then combine it with the designs that I create. So I don't have to create a new hook every time. It's the right size, the right measurements, and it fits. All right, so from there I went ahead and exported it as a 3D print into my favorite slicer, Cura, and in Cura I went ahead and created my settings. My settings were for PETG or PETG because PETG handles the heat a little bit better, and that's what I had available, and my printer seems to print PETG pretty good. So I set my temperature pretty high, about 235. I created about a 50% infill with a gyroid pattern. I then went down to my supports. I had a tree support. I did select a build plate Raft to print this on. Once I sliced it, I did realize it was over 4 hours. That is going to be a pretty long print for just such a small piece, but hopefully it comes out and it actually functions. We'll see what happens in 4 hours. The 3D print came out pretty well, so it's time to take that off the printer and take it back over to the shed, and let's see how that fits. Well, that looks like it fits pretty good, and there's my cup sitting perfectly in that holder. If you want to print your own, I did put a link on my website, mystery3d.com/free-3d-files. The link is in the description. Go ahead and try to make your own, and hopefully that's helpful to you. I also posted it on Etsy if you want to actually buy one that you don't have to 3D print yourself. Check that out at Mystery3D on Etsy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.